Hello, this will be an orientation for a math class given at South Texas College. This math class will be an online class. Um, the first time you enter to the Blackboard, you will notice there are a menu on the left side. Start here, course content, discussion board, and my math lab. Those are very important icons. As you can see, when the course starts, the first thing we want to do is we want to do the discussion board where we introduce ourselves and um, respond to two other classmates. But in addition to that, when you go to the discussion board here on the left side, go to discussion one, read it, see the example, and from there move on. In start here, you're going to find several folder such as essential element, syllabus, and the course policy, which is very important, technical requirement and the support, and online links for student services. If you go to start the essential element, you're going to find the prerequisite for the course objective, the structure for the course, and also course rules and guidelines for discussion and emails and so on, and also the My Math Lab, which is required for this course. Now again, as a first time, you want to click on My Math Lab and follow the link for registration to get the access to My Math Lab, where you can do your quizzes, your homework, assignment, and so on, and you can have an access to the videos and also access to the ebook from the online. Going back to start here, you are going to find the next one, which is the syllabus. The syllabus and the schedule. So you're going to see the grading criteria folder, which is very important for you to read. We have two of them, midterm and final. It's very important. We have also how to use the discussion board if you're not familiar with it, and also you have the My Math Lab folder in case that you have any problem with that. The schedule for the assignment is listed here. Hopefully you'll be able to follow this. This is like almost for each module what we need to accomplish, and when is the midterm and when is the final. Those are the two important ones. Again, click on the midterm and the final. Since they are proctored, we want the student to read carefully about how it's done. The midterm, it has to be practiced, 20% of your grade, final also 20%, and you can communicate with our CLE to take the exam. If you're from different college, you want to go ahead and look for the testing center at that community college or at the university. Homework quizzes will be done through My Math Lab. Practice midterm and final, those you will do them at your own computer, but there are 5% each of your grade. Discussion board is very important to reply because it's 7% of your grade. I have a video assignment which is 3% of your grade. It's very important to go over different policy, what is our rule for that, but here's the more information if you want to make an appointment or to take the exam, which is the midterm or the final. So that's under the syllabus, but also if you think about what's under the syllabus, you can download the syllabus itself and see all the information on the Blackboard on the syllabus. Now, again, under start here, you're going also to find what's called technical support. So if you have any question regarding your Blackboard or you're not sure how to do something, then you'll be able to pull out those videos and look at them. One of the important things, if you need a calculator for your computer, then you can click on any of those. Some of them are good. for the computer like Mac or a regular one, and some Android also calculator. But remember, you cannot use those inside the exam. You have to have a regular calculator. Now the next folder, which is the content folder, that's where we should start. So you're going to actually see modulo for each one and what we need to accomplish for that modulo. If you look at modulo 1, you can see that homework and discussion board and so on. So when you look at each module, you're going to see an overview, things to do, which is the activity, learning objective, and then the video, which is related to section, discussion board, and how you're going to, you need to check yourself for the section need to be covered in this one right here. And if you look at the course content, you're going to find out each one of them are symmetrical. The minute you get yourself used to it, then you're going to find out it's similar to the first modulo. An overview, learning objective, to-do list, videos, and then how can I check, which is I call it a checklist for the assessment, and you move on to the next one. We keep doing this until we reach modulo 8 for the midterm and the final. Keep in mind, in the midterm and the final, you will be given a review, a key to the review, a video, a formula sheet need to be used for the exam, and so on. Something that will prepare you to take the exam. You will be given a practice exam, and then the actual exam will be given to you. Over here, as you can see, there is a practice exam, but in the same time, there are 40 questions, and here's the actual test, which is it will be taken, and it's also timed and proctored. The minute we finish the first half, then what we will do is the same thing for the second half. You will be actually doing the same thing all over the semester until we're done with the last thing. You always check your grade under my grade. If you have anything, if you need to do a discussion, click on the discussion, and if you have any questions, you'll put it right here, and we hope to respond to you, either me or another student. Discussion 1, please do it. That's the first day assignment, which is you need to introduce yourself, and you need also to post your avatar. If you click on the discussion one, as we can see, you can see this is my avatar. I put my picture. You're going to do the same thing. Look at the discussion one when you click on it. Here's some of the questions you need to do. Introduce yourself, academic, your goals, your hobbies, your life experience. What did you learn on the orientation video? What do you know about calculus also? And try to see if you can reply to that to student. Again, if you're not familiar to Avatar, I gave you a link. You can click on it and see the video how to upload your avatar. The rubric for the discussion board is right here. I gave an example about me, and try to do the same thing in your discussion. Again, to be enrolled in my math lab, I know that you need to click on my math lab. The minute you click on the math lab, is going to take you to either to asking you for registration, and the minute you register, you're going to be able to see either the course home for the book, where you can access the course and the assignment and so on. Please, if you have any question, try to email me through Blackboard. Please read the syllabus for any other detail or any extra credit material. As you can see, here's the course for this one, and when you click on the homework right here, you're going to see the homework link. I could see the quizzes, but just maybe I need to fix it. Here we go. You could see the homework and each homework and so on, or you could say just show all the assignments. So it's going to show you the homework and the assignment and when it's due and so on. If you have any question, please email me through Blackboard. I prefer that. I will have an office hour online using Collaborate. I'll send you the link, or you can click on the link and log in. We'll try our best to have an office hour between 7 to 8. We'll fix this one.